All right, so in this video, we're going to go through sample question 75 from the Society of Actuaries ExamP list of sample questions. The question reads, the monthly profit of company 1 can be modeled by a continuous random variable with density function f. Company 2 has a monthly profit that is twice that of company 1. Let g be the density function for the distribution of the monthly profit of company 2 to determine g of y where it is not 0. Okay, so we need to find the density function for company 2. So what I'm going to do, this is this is a question on univariate transformations. It's not completely standard, I would say. Let's say that x is the profit for company 1 and y is the profit for company 2. Okay, so we're given that the PDF of x is f, and the PDF of y is then g, right? So that means, a capital F and a capital G should be our CDFs. So we're going to do the following. We know that the profits for company 2 is twice that of company 1. So I can write this relationship. We know x, or 2x is equal to y, right? Because company's 1 profits is x, company's 2 profits is y. Now, based off this information, we're going to try to determine the CDF of y and then integrate that. So I know that, let's see. I don't typically do these out beforehand just because I want to show you my process, which is why I'm just pausing for a bit. Okay, got it. So I know capital G of y is our CDF of company 2, right? The distribution for company 2. So that's going to be equal to the probability that there exists some y, or the probability that y is less than or equal to some specific y, like this. And we know that y is equal to 2x, defined before. Just like that. And to get y in terms of x, I can say, okay, the probability of x less than or equal to some y divided by 2. Okay, and we're doing this because company 2's profits is based off company 1. Okay, so now what we can do is differentiate what we're given, right? We have a PDF. And just to differentiate this, to kind of almost rewrite this, this is equal to the capital F, right, which is the CDF for company 1, evaluated for y over 2. We can differentiate and simply get just rewriting this a little bit just to make it easier to understand. Right. Differentiating, we get 1 over 2 multiplied by f with 1 over 2 y, which lines up with answer choice A. All right, so not a standard sort of transformation problem, still a good one to try and understand. All right, based on the information we were given, we determined and defined this relationship. Then in order to find the PDF for company 2, right, G of y, we used the information from x, right, from company 1 to get the CDF of y, and then took the derivative. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, throw it down in the comments. I'll answer to the best of my abilities. If you want to see more examples like this, I have a playlist, sample questions from the Society of Actuaries. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe. That definitely helps me out. But other than that, thanks for watching.